So I can put Rubik's cube at here one by one. See, this is 7 by 7 Rubik's cube, also biggest Rubik's cube. This is 6 by 6 Rubik's cube. This is 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. This is 4 by 4 Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 cube, normal cube. This is mirror cube. This is axis cube, one of the hardest Rubik's cube. This is ghost cube, sabka baap, one of the hardest Rubik's cube. This is pyramid cube. And this is 2 by 2 cube, one of the smallest cube. And if you like this video, then also like, share, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel for more interesting and wonderful videos. Goodbye.